fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hey beautiful sunshine gang, I just wanted to tell y'all about this deal that I got today from my local beauty supply store. And the brand of this hair is from Outre, and it's the Batik Rouge line. And this is synthetic hair, and this kind is in loose body, and the color is 99J, and it is 14, 16, 18, and 20 inch, and it already come with a 4-inch deep lace part enclosure. And I got this in the color 99J, and I also got this style right here. I never had deep spiral curls before, and I thought this hair was really pretty, and I got this in the color 1, and it is 14, 16, 18, and 20 inches also. And I don't know which one I want to wear. I don't know if I want to wear the loose body or the deep spiral curls, but one of these hairstyles will be my next hairstyle. And oh, I didn't tell y'all the price. It was buy one get one free, and the hair was $17.99. And the hair store that I went to Kim's in Monticello. And y'all, this is a really good deal. If y'all haven't been there already, y'all should go in there and y'all should rake up, save those coins, because this is a complete hairstyle all in one. And when I get my hair installed, there will be a future video that's going to come, and I will also do a review in it, so y'all look out for that. And I will talk to y'all later.